Ng aking damit. Talagang naabutan ako ng hapon. Look at our view in the afternoon. It's around 3 p.m. here in Bahrain. So nice. I want to check. Get dirt. Something I want to clean here. It's okay. Clean. So windy. Got bird over there in the rooftop. Magandang hapon sa lahat. Look at the sky. Got bird flying, flocking in the air. Wow, so nice. So nice. Napakainit. Hindi ako makatingin sa araw. Look at araw ng kahaponan. Beautiful scenery. Sunlight in the 3 p.m. Magtago ako sa rooftop, guys. Hahaha. Magandang hapon, guys. Ayan, napakagandang kahaponon. Magandang araw. It's good weather and really cold. See? Nakaupo ako. Kayong kukurat sa aking video na napakainit sa labas. Pasok na tayo. Hindi ko kayang mag-stay outside dahil napakalamig ng windy. Tapos close it. Hello everyone. Look at the design of the ceiling. Bird. So nice. The reason. Hello everyone. I'm almost done my work today. Ano tayo? Just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it's happen every time that I go high. Just fall in love again and trinity. I can't help myself. I fall in love with you. Dreaming, I must be dreaming. So I am dreaming, seems to fly easy. Take me to the star. Heaven is that moment when I look into your eyes, and oh, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time that I go high. Just fall in love again, and when I do, I can't help myself. I fall in love with you. Magandang hapon sa lahat. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy watching my video. Don't forget to thumbs up and shares. Follow me. Thank you for watching. Magandang hapon.